The future may look strange and unlikely if we imagine it populated with the people of today's world. It's understandable that many people will readily shy away from concepts such as total transparency, or global responsibility, or even social responsibility in general. The future is very far away still. Even if the things that I see come to pass, few if any of us present today will be there to witness most of them. So eventually, one day, we must all stand together and agree to make bold and well-intentioned effort towards the future of humanity. War and greed are the only forces left in the world which can hold humanity back in our progress as a society. We have the technology and the material wealth available to take direct steps to minimize needless suffering amongst the populace, while ensuring economic stability for the entire future of the human race. We may not get the chance to live in today's world and tomorrow's world. We may not agree what tomorrow should look like or how people should behave. But regardless of all of that, if we can just agree to stop fighting about it, we can convert our military expenditure into energy investment, and maybe by the time we're through, we'll find that we can't think of any good reason to start fighting again. Hunger, illness, desperation, loneliness, and loss. These things tear at the heart of a person, driving them to commit acts that they never would if they had any happiness in their life. Stand together to demand a unified, decisive end to the global energy crisis, so that we may all learn to live in peace, one way or another.